Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at ROST stores. This is ticker ROST. Now, ROST did pull back with the rest of the market today, but actually pulled back on low volume and is still within trend above all the major moving averages. So here's your price to watch on ROST. I want to see if this stock can break out above this previous consolidation base from February and March, and that's right around 151. And you can see how the stock is just kind of consolidating, potentially building a bit of a sideways base just under a previous resistance zone. So I want to see if this stock can base here for a couple of days and break out above that level, taking it out and doing it on volume. So want to see a breakout here above 151 coming on volume on ROST. That's ROST stores. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. Even when the market is pulling back, it's really important to keep an active watch list, and that's what we do every day at StockMarketMentor.com. So I hope that video is helpful. If it was, take a trial of our premium service or click subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss our next free chart of the day. I'll catch you next time.